Hello, today we will be doing the calculation of oxidation number of central metal in coordination compound. In our previous class, we studied about coordination compound. We know what is called coordination compound. Inside a coordination compound made up of consists of counter ion, central metal and ligand. So what are the parts of coordination compound? काउंटर आयन होता है, सेंट्रल मेटल होता है और क्या होता है? लिगेंड. Our today's class we will be discussing about the oxidation number of central metal. Let us see the example. These are the coordination compound. These are called ligand with their charts. F -1, Cl -1, Br -1, SO4 -2. ligand का सारा चार्ज दिया हुआ है. Ammonia, water, carbonyl, they do not have any charge. They are called neutral ligand. Now let us see how to calculate the oxidation number of central metal in a coordination compound. देखो तो रूल क्या है? सिंपल रूल है. वी हैव अ सिंपल रूल. बिफोर कैलकुलेटिंग द ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर वी हैव टू राइट लेट द ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर ऑफ जिसको कैलकुलेट करेगा ऑफ मेटल इज x. दिस वन यू टू कंसीडर. let the oxidation number of metal is x. After that we'll put one equal to left hand side of equal to we will be writing all these parts of coordination compound. क्या क्या पार्ट होता है coordination compound में? काउंटर आयन, सेंट्रल मेटल, लिगेंड. इसी साइड हम लोग क्या लिखेगा? काउंटर आयन Ci प्लस सेंट्रल मेटल प्लस लिगेंड. राइट साइड में क्या लिखेगा? वट एवर चार्ज अपियर्स ओवर द फॉर्मूला. स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट का ऊपर में जो चार्ज होगा ओवर द स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट वट एवर चार्ज रिटेन दैट चार्ज टू बी राइट हैंड साइड. इफ देयर इज नो चार्ज वी विल बी राइटिंग 0. अच्छा, यही है रूल्स. तो अभी we have to understand which one is called counter ion, which one is called central metal, which one is called ligand. Let us see one example. Say this complex CO, water, whole 6, say whole 3, not whole 6, say Cl3. This complex. You see, the main part is square bracket. Before square bracket, whatever written, these are called positive counter ion. If anything written after the square bracket, that will be called negative counter ion. In this compound, negative nahi hai. In a compound, if positive counter ion is present, there will be no negative ion. If negative counter ion is present, there will be no positive counter ion. Let us see one more example. Nickel, water, whole 6, outside Cl2. In this compound there is no positive counter, so there will be negative counter. So before square bracket and after square bracket whatever written, they are called counter ion. इसको बोलते हैं पॉजिटिव, इसको बोलते हैं नेगेटिव काउंटर आयन. Inside the bracket, square bracket, first element will be called central metal. Here cobalt is central metal. Here nickel is our central metal. Other than central metal, whatever present inside the square bracket, those are called ligand. Here water is ligand, chlorine is ligand, water is ligand. So what I said, before and after square bracket, they are called counter ion. Inside the square bracket, the first element is called central metal. Apart from central metal, whatever left inside the square bracket, they are called ligand. Clear? Alright. A parts we understood. Parts of coordination compound we understood. Let us calculate the oxidation number. मान लो इसे कंपाउंड में we'll calculate the oxidation number of central metal. देखो, which one is our central metal here? इसको बोलते हैं central metal. What is the central metal here? Iron. We have to calculate the oxidation number of iron. Therefore, rule ने क्या बोला था? First you have to add counter ion plus central metal plus ligand. Which one is counter ion here? Potassium. कितना potassium है? How many potassium are there? 3. So we'll be adding 3 potassium. Okay. Before that, whose oxidation number we have to calculate? We have to calculate the oxidation number of iron. Let the oxidation number of iron be X. Therefore, sum of all the part of coordination compound. What are the part? Counter ion plus metal plus ligand. Counter ion plus central metal plus ligand. ये formula होता है. Which one is counter ion here? Potassium. How many? 3. 3 into potassium plus central metal. कौन सा वाला? Iron plus ligand. Which one is ligand? Cyanide. Cyanide. How many? 6. 6 into cyanide. Then equal to what charge? No charge. 0. Or potassium belongs to group 1. Therefore, charge of potassium plus 1. Replace potassium by plus 1. Plus iron charge X. 6. Cyanide charge minus 1. कहाँ लिखा? A cyanide है Cn minus 1. ये देखो minus 1 है. Equal to 0. अब simplify करो. X equal to plus 3 आ गया. आया ना plus 3? You simplify it. You will get the value of X plus 3. Therefore, the oxidation number of iron is plus 3. इसको हम ऐसे भी लिख सकता है और ऐसा भी लिख सकता है. रोमन नंबर oxidation number of iron is plus 3. हो गया. Let us try second one. इसको try करेंगे. अभी देखो कैसे करते हैं इसको. Cobalt Cl NH3 whole 4 outside Cl2. Same formula. Counter ion plus central metal plus ligand. Counter ion क्या है? Cl है. How many Cl? 2. So 2 Cl plus central metal क्या है? Cobalt. First element is central metal. Rest are called ligand. Central metal cobalt. These are called ligand. 2 type of ligand are there. Which ligand? Chlorine. Cl plus which ligand? Ammonia. How many? O. Equal to total charge. No charge means 0. 2 into chloride. Chlorine. Chlorine का charge कितना होता है? minus 1. Minus 1 plus cobalt. We have to calculate the oxidation number of central metal. तो इसका oxidation number X होगा. Let the oxidation number of cobalt is X. So in place of cobalt we put X. Chlorine minus 1. Ammonia का 0 होता है. Ammonia there is no charge. So 0 charge. 4 into 0 0 होगा. Equal to 0. तो इसका X का वैल्यू निकालो. X का वैल्यू आएगा plus 3. Therefore oxidation number of cobalt is plus 3. Second one. Let us try third one. AgCN whole AgCN whole to minus. Here there is no counter ion. Delete this. Start from central metal and ligand equal to होगा तो central metal which one? Silver plus ligand. How many ligand? 2 into cyanide equal to what is the total charge? -1. Silver central metal oxidation number will be X, cyanide -1 इधर में लिखा है equal to -1, X equal to simplify करो +1 आ जाएगा. So the oxidation number of silver is +1. Next one इसको करेगा cobalt En whole to Cl2 plus. Central metal is cobalt. Other than cobalt, whatever present, all are called ligand. Let the oxidation number of cobalt be X. There is no counter ion. So central metal and ligand है. Central metal and ligand will sum up. Central metal plus ligand En. En is called ethylene diamine. How many ethylene diamine? 2. 2 into En plus how many chlorine? 2. 2 into Cl equal to total charge plus 1 ligand. Cobalt X. En neutral. En का चार्ज कितना है? No charge. Neutral ligand 0. Chlorine -1 plus 1 or X equal to +3. So here cobalt oxidation number is +3. Next one, this one. FeOX whole 3 -4. Let the oxidation number of central metal, you see, I said inside square bracket, first element is central metal. So which one is first one? Iron. So the oxidation number of iron be X. Therefore there is no counter ion. So Fe plus 3. This is called oxalato ion. OX means oxalato ion. इसका फॉर्मूला C2O4 होता है. ऐसे भी लिख सकता है और ऐसे लिख सकता है. We can write the formula of oxalato as C2O4 or OX. OX means oxalato. Oxalato formula is C2O4. How many times? 3 times. So 3 into OX equal to total charge -4. Iron X 3 into 0. Sorry, OX. OX का चार्ज कितना है? A into है, it is OX oxalato. Oxalato is C2O4. C2O4 का चार्ज -2. तो -2 equal to -4. X का वैल्यू सिंप्लीफाई करो +2 आएगा. So the value of X is 2. Therefore oxidation number of iron here +2. Next FeCN. This is easy, you can do also. Last one we will be doing. PtCl2 NH3 whole 4 +2. Which one is central metal? Platinum. Platinum oxidation number to be X. Pt plus 2Cl plus 4 NH3 equal to total charge +2. X chloride 4 0 plus 2. X minus 2 plus 0 equal to +2. So X equal to this -2 transfer this side. X equal to +4. So oxidation number of platinum is +4. So this is how we calculate the oxidation number of central metal in a coordination compound. How to calculate? Let us repeat once more. To calculate the oxidation number of central metal, we have to write let the oxidation number of this be X. Next line, counterand plus central metal plus ligand should be equal to whatever charge is written there. If no charge, 0. Next step, replace counterand, central metal and ligand by their respective charges. Then you can calculate, simplify the value of X, you will get the oxidation number of X. I hope it is clear. Thank you.